Coming up on today's Panther Beat, what to expect during homecoming.
And how you can make your own spirit wear.
Your Panther Beat starts now.
What up, O'Fallon? I'm Will.
And I'm Landon, and this is your Panther Beat for Friday, September 19th.
Get ready for Ocella, O'Fallon. Homecoming 2025 is next week. Here's Stuco with what to expect.
Hey Panthers, it's your student council here, ensuring that you know how to be the most spirited this homecoming week.
To kick off a great homecoming week on Monday night at 5 o'clock is the bash in front of the dome. And at the bash you will take your ID and you'll scan in and you'll play a game for your class to get points. And there will be many different things there, like the clubs will have tables, there will be food, and the Panther Olympics and the car show.
On Wednesday, make sure you attend the parade. Go inside of the dome lobby to scan your ID and earn your class points. Whether you're walking with a club, your class, make sure to be there and be loud.
On Friday, make sure to wear your blue and gold for the pep rally. No booing allowed or you will lose spirit points. Only cheer on everybody, especially the tug of war teams and the Panther Olympic finals. Good luck on the spirit stick. And Saturday is the homecoming dance. Make sure you arrive between 7 to 8 p.m. with your school ID to get in. If you have a guest, make sure they bring a driver's license or their school ID so that they can get in as well. Make sure to be there at 8:15 for the coronation in the main part of the dome. See you guys there. Have a great week.
Well, what are you looking forward to during homecoming week?
Honestly, I'm excited to see all my friends. What are you looking forward to?
Football game.
Yeah,
Hopefully we win.
Yeah, hopefully we come out with a win.
Seniors, be sure to pick up your class shirts in room 504.
Stop by the IMC next week to create some fun DIY homecoming projects.
Homecoming is sooner than you think, O'Fallon, and if you're in need of blue and gold attire, stop by the IMC from now until Friday the 26th to make anything from sweatbands to necklaces.
As soon as you enter the IMC, there will be an array of supplies for you to use, like pom-poms, necklaces, and earrings.
In addition to our DIY table, which is over there, as you can see, I'm at the entrance, we also have our face painting. This is kind of what it's going to look like. It has a spot for us to put our name and the stamp of the IMC, your ID number, and your advisory teacher. We're limiting it to 50 people per advisory, so per third, fourth, and fifth hour. We're going to start giving these out, I would say, at the very beginning of the week, so on the 22nd. And then we also are going to be selling buttons, and they kind of look like this. They're going to be on sale for $1. So yeah, that's what we got cooking on in here for Pep Rally Week.
The Panther Innovation Center also has supplies to style your homecoming outfits. Miss Bueller explains.
Hey OTHS, it's Miss Beeler here with the Panther Innovation Center, and I want to invite you to come in on Friday for a fun event, a makerspace event, for you guys to enjoy some of our new technology and get ready for homecoming week. So, got a t-shirt, got some jeans, you need something decorated, need to make a poster to ask that special guy or girl to homecoming? This is your space. Come on in, 9:05, anytime after 2 o'clock till 4. Use our Cricut, our heat press, make a cool t-shirt, use our poster board, make a cool poster for the parade, or maybe you need to decorate those real fun jeans. We've got paint, we've got markers, we've got all sorts of things to get you ready to rock homecoming.
Be sure to stop by room 905 to decorate your outfits for Spirit Week. Now we pass it over to your Panther Sports.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Aiden with your Panther Sports. In today's sporting events, our football team stays home to go against Belleville East at 7 p.m. Tonight's theme is Sleep on East. Make sure to wear your pajamas and be sure to pop out. Tomorrow, our boys and girls cross-country team run in the Peoria Invitational. Our boys soccer team takes on the Althoff Crusaders at home. Let's take a look at the team.
I feel like you're hostage, now your lover hidden under covers. When you love me, when you wait. I feel like you're hostage, now your lover hidden under covers. When you love me, when you wait. I feel like then you leave when I'm hollow. Some days I get so low. It has to be you, has to be you.
I feel like you took me for granted when I showed you where my heart is. It's better off letting you go, 'cause I cannot stay where the past is. Told me time would heal me, but the money does it and it's faster. You cut me open, now I gotta pay for the plaster. Now I gotta reset, go figure out what I need next. Money, power, respect, 3 things that man ain't seen there. Low-key wish I could go back, but I can't live life in regret. Alone with no one to vent to, trust me, we've all been there. But I feel like it has to be you if it ain't. I might go mad, can't no one the same. Your friends are weird, I won't say names. You wanna get back, let's play the game. The way that I feel, I can't explain. Am I sane or insane? Are you mine or the games? Whatever it is, just feel like you took me for granted.
Good luck to all our sports teams. Now over the birthdays.
Thanks, guys. I'm linking with your weekend birthdays. Happy birthday for today. September 19th goes out to Carson Bauer, Maurice Bonds, Jaden Dancy, Liam Decker, Simon Kilhofer, Amani Savage, Jeremiah Timko, Luke Wample, and Eli Young. Birthdays for tomorrow are Regan Bain, Jeremiah Cotton, Ava Dannenbrink, Alexander Green, Tristan Lesker, Hayden Russell, Jordan Shamble, and Jackson Woods. And a special happy birthday goes out to faculty member Miss Kraft and Miss Liebert. Celebrating birthdays on Sunday are Chloe Castillo, Emily Cook, Kelton Farland, Micah Grimes, Zachariah Mahmood, Tyler Privet, and Owen Stoffel. How do you like last week's celebrity birthday? Did you get it? The famous actor from Boy Meets World is Ben Savage. Ready to try again? This weekend our celebrity birthday hints are, this actor took over for Jay Leno on a late night TV show, he starred in Fever Pitch, and used to be a regular on Saturday Night Live. Do you know who we're talking about? Email Mr. Cox with the answer to be entered in to win a prize. That's all for me. Now back to the news desk.
And now for your club news.
Homecoming's next week, and it's time to show off your school spirit. Let's learn the words to the school song. Here's our OTHS choir. Great job singing, Panthers. Can't wait to hear everyone at the pep rally.
Sign Language Club meets today after school in the IMC from 3 to 3:50. Bring colored pencils, markers, or crayons. Calling all readers. Join the OTHS Book Club next Wednesday, September 24th in room 205. The book selection is The Cheerleaders by Kara Thomas. Reach out to Miss Weisenfelder with questions.
Pride Club meets this Tuesday in Smiley Room 805 from 3 to 3:30. Pride Club is for everyone who is a part of the LGBTQ community and all their allies. Everyone is welcome.
It's not too late to sign up for the second annual pickleball tournament. All proceeds go to the Maddie Best Foundation. Stop by Mr. Henry's room 302 to get the details.
That's it for today, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to your Panther Beat YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram.